Now our topic is comparison of numbers. So when you are comparison is nothing but which is greater and which is smaller. So already you know the symbols. This is a less than. This symbol is called less than, and this is greater than. Then equal to. By using these three symbols, you can compare the given numbers. When you are comparing the given numbers, first step you have to remember. First count the number of the digits in the given numbers. Count the number of the digits. Which number is having more number of the digits is the greater number. Which number is having less number of the digits is called smaller number. Which number is having more number of the digits is a greater number. Which one is having less number of digits is called smaller number. So, for example, 72,145 and 8,14,200. For example, see here. First, what is the first step I said? Count the number of the digits. So, first here, how many digits you get in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many digits? 5 digits. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, how many digits you get? 6 digits. So, if a number is having more number of the digits is greater. So, 72,145 is smaller than 8,14,200. So, 72,145 is less than 8,14,200. This is the symbol. The symbol is called less than. One more example. next place, that is 10,000s place. Now check the 10,000s place digit. Here 4 and 3. Which one is greater? 4, 3. Which one is greater? 4. So 2,45,606 is greater than 2,37,179. One more example. Now check the number of the digits. Two numbers containing same number of the digits. So if the number of the digits are equal, check the leftmost place. Here 2, 2. Last place, take the comparison. 2 and 2. Last place is same. Then if the place is same, then go to next place. This is 10,000 place. 4, 4. Equal. Then if 10,000 place is also equal, go to next place. That is thousands place. 5, 5. Thousands place is also equal. Then go to next place, that is hundreds place. Here 6 and here 1. So which one is greater? 6 and 1. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. So this number is greater. So 2,45,606 is greater than 2,45,179. One more example. Now check the first number of the digits. So here this number is containing 6 digits. This number is also containing 6 digits. Okay. Now if the numbers are having the same number of the digit, first check the leftmost place. Leftmost place. So this is last place. So compare the last place. 2 and 2. Last place is same. If the place is same, go to next place. So next place is 10,000. 4, 4. Both are same. Go to next place. Thousands place. 5 and 5. Here also thousands place is also same. Go to next place, that is hundreds place. This is 6 and 6. Hundreds place is also same. Then go to tens place. 0, 0. Tens place is also same. Now take the comparison of ones place. 6 and 6. Ones place is also equal. So two numbers are same. So keep equal. Understood?